The next is about human male reproductive system. So we have to learn the different structures present in the male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system, when you draw a diagram, first you draw the urinary bladder, the urethra which is long in case of males, the penis which is the external genitalia, and the head of the penis which is called as glans penis. It is enlarged and it is called glans penis. It is covered with a loose fold of skin which is called as, the skin is called as foreskin. The opening of the penis outside is called urethral meatus. Then the sex organs which is called as testis. Testis is placed outside the abdominal cavity of males. It's around 5 centimeters in length and 2 centimeters in width. Now testis is covered by a loose fold of skin which is called as scrotum. Now about the testis. Each testis is made or divided into partitions called lobules. There are around 250 such lobules inside each testis. Now I have drawn only 3 lobules. What are present inside these lobules? There are coiled tubules called as seminiferous tubules. 2 or 3 seminiferous tubules will be found in each of the lobule. So these are called as seminiferous tubules. It is inside these seminiferous tubules that the sperms are produced. So the function of testis is to produce sperms as well as the male sex hormone called as testosterone. The testis is found outside the abdomen of the male, and so it can give the required temperature for the sperms to grow. So the temperature will be 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature. Now the seminiferous tubule, after producing the sperms will come out through a network of ducts which is called as retitestis. Retitestis joins together to form vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia will join to form coiled tube which runs over posteriorly on the surface of the testis downwards, and this portion is called epididymis. Epididymis. Epididymis is a place where sperms are temporarily stored. The sperms will then, from the epididymis, the sperms will then enter the vas deferens, which loops over the urinary bladder. Similarly, from the other side also, the epididymis, from the posterior surface of the testis, they goes downwards and then they come up as vas deferens. They join at the center in front of the urinary bladder, and then here they receive the secretions of 3 types of glands. So this duct is called vas deferens. a pair of glands which is called as seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle produces secretions which is rich in fructose. The seminal vesicle pours its secretion towards the sperms, and they both will join together and come out as the ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct passes through another gland which is called as prostate gland. This gland is called as prostate gland. And then a pair of glands called as bulbourethral glands. It is also called as Cowper's glands. Bulbourethral glands secretes and produces secretions which can lubricate the penis at the time of insemination. So, these are the structures of male reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of the external genitalia called as penis and the accessory ducts. The accessory ducts are retitestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. The vas deferens of both the sides join together in the center, and then they receive the secretions from seminal vesicle, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland. Finally, the sperms will be released into the urethra along with the secretions of these three glands. The sperms are produced in the seminiferous tubules, and the sperms will take a course. They will come out of the seminiferous tubule and they will enter into retitestis and then vasa efferentia. Then they will be temporarily stored in epididymis and then goes through the vas deferens, gets the secretions from these three glands, and when sperm as well as the secretions are joined together, they will be called as semen. So, that is the composition of semen. Semen consists of sperms as well as secretions of these three glands.